Fort Saskatchewan boasts an impressive 75 kilometres of diverse trails, offering year-round exploration for both residents and visitors. These trails range from smooth, paved walking paths to multi-use single dirt trails, catering to a variety of outdoor activities and preferences. Immerse yourself in nature on our extensive network of trails. Whether you're seeking a leisurely walk or a challenging hike, our trails offer something for everyone. Check out this great blog on how to trek through West River's Edge Loop, experience the thrill of mountain biking, or enjoy a casual cycle through the valley. Our trails cater to cyclists of all skill levels. In the colder months, our trails transform into a winter wonderland. Enjoy cross-country skiing, snowshoeing, and the serene beauty of a snowy landscape. Join beautiful walks and experience the local flora and fauna. It's a great way to connect with nature and learn about our ecosystem.